So over here in my Gmail, you can see that I have a bright theme applied right here, and this is the default theme that you have. So if you want to go around and change how the Gmail inbox looks, then you can go around and choose different themes or apply different themes onto Gmail as well. So for that, I'm going to go around and click on the gear icon so that I can access the quick settings. And over here, you can see that theme is an option. If I were to go around and click on one of them, you can see that the theme, that is the background, is applied and the entire look of Gmail changes out. You can go around and click right here and then the background changes. Go around and click right here and the background changes just like this as well. If I were to go around and click on view all, then you can see that there's more options to choose from as well. For example, I can go around and choose this one right here, and then you can see that the entire look and feel of Gmail changes out as I go around and click on this. If I were to go around and click on random right here, then it'll just randomly select out a theme that there is and it'll apply it out right here. You can also go around onto my photos, and if you have any photos saved out over here in Google Photos, you can go around and select those photos as well and click on select, and that photo will be applied as the theme, as you can see right here. Now let me just go around and choose this one and press save right here, and you can see that this is the theme change. If I were to click on the gear icon right here, I can go around and choose the default theme once more, and the default theme is applied once again. And that is how you can go around and change the Gmail theme as you like. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.